Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Start off by opening up a web browser and type in www.capital1.com and press enter on your keyboard. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in the official web page of Capital One, which looks like this. Right at the top, you'll be able to see two text boxes appearing. Go ahead and enter your username that is associated with your online banking account for Capital One and make sure to type it in correct. If you'd like the system to remember your credential, click on the Remember Me box beneath. But make sure to leave it unchecked before logging in if you are using a public device or a shared device. Soon after you do that, head over to the next field where it says password and type in your password on the next field. In case you don't remember your password, click on Forgot Username or Password link and follow the on-screen prompts to reset to a new password or to look for your username. After you are done filling in your information and it is correct, click the Sign In button. And that way you should be able to log into your Capital One online banking account right away. That is how it can be done. Pretty simple, isn't it? I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.